Good afternoon, all of you. How are you? Are you fine? Okay. Open your bag and take out your General Science textbook, Standard 6. This is your General Science textbook for Standard 6. Open your textbook. See on page number 2. This is our first lesson, natural resources, air, water and land. Natural resources, air, water and land. In the previous video we have already learned natural resources and the meaning of natural resources. In this video we are going to learn next topic, air. What is the meaning of air? Our first point of this lesson is air. Can you tell what are the 5 layers of the atmosphere? You know 5 layers of the atmosphere? In the previous class, in the standard 5th, you have already learned the 5 layers of the atmosphere. No? I will write here the 5 layers of the atmosphere. First one is troposphere. First one, troposphere. Second, stratosphere. Third, mesosphere. Next, ionosphere, and last one is exosphere. Okay, these 5 are the layers of the atmosphere. Our topic is air. What is air? Air in the atmosphere around the earth contains various types of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide gas, 6 inert gas, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, dust particle and water vapors. Means air is a mixture of various kinds of gases, various mixtures of the gases, okay, in the atmosphere. Air contains nitrogen, carbon dioxide, six inert gas, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, dust particle and water vapor. Okay. The troposphere. There are 5 spheres: troposphere, stratosphere, meso, iono and exosphere. Troposphere contain about 80% of total amount of these gases. इन सब गैसेस का 80% प्रेजेंट है ट्रोपोस्फीयर में. सो ट्रोपोस्फीयर कंटेन 80% ऑफ दीज गैसेस. ट्रोपोस्फीयर contain 80% of these gases. So what about another 20% of these gases? So while the proportion is about 90% is in the stratosphere. Stratosphere contain 90% of these gases. This proportion is about stratosphere. Stratosphere contain 19% of these gases. In 1%, remaining 1% of the gas is present in mesosphere and ionosphere, next two spheres, meso and ionosphere. So, the proportion of the mass of the gases goes on decreasing. The proportion of the mass of these gases is decreasing in mesosphere and ionosphere, and last one is exosphere. So next, in the proportion of the mass of gas decreases. The proportion of mass of gas decreases goes on decreasing. And in the last sphere is exosphere. Last one is exosphere. Gases are not found in the exosphere and beyond. Gases are not found exosphere. Okay. You can see that air is a mixture of various types of gases. Air contains various types of gases. Several gases is the chief constituents of the Earth's atmosphere. Besides these gases, air also contains water vapors. Air also contains water vapor. In the mixture of air also contains water vapors and dust particles. Air contains dust particle and water vapors. The amount of the gases in the air is greater near the surface and decreases as we move upper and upper. As we go higher and higher, the gases is decreases. Okay. That is, air become rare in higher altitudes. The proportion of the constituent of the air and some other uses are given here. Nitrogen gas. First one, nitrogen gas. The uses of nitrogen gas is to build necessary proteins. Nitrogen builds necessary proteins for living things. Oxygen. You know oxygen is necessary for breathing, okay, and for respiration. Carbon dioxide gas. Uses of carbon dioxide gas is, it is used for producing their food. It is used for in fire extinguishers. Argon. Argon gas is used in electric bulbs. Okay. See here. See on page number 3. Here, what is the similarity in these 3 pictures? You can see any similarities between these 3 pictures? All the above pictures shows large scale emission of smoke in industries, factories and vehicles. So, the smoke directly mixes with the air, with the atmosphere, disturbing the balance between the constituent of the air. The smoke directly mixes the air and they disturb the balance between air and constituent of air in the atmosphere. This is called as air pollution. I will write here air pollution. The smoke directly mixes with the atmosphere, disturbing the balance between the constituents of the air. The constituents of the air. Air pollution is the smoke directly mixes with the atmosphere, disturbing the balance between the constituent of the air is called as air pollution. Harmful gases are given out through combustion of fuels. Various harmful gases are emitted from vehicles, burning of fuels in vehicles, in factories, industries, etc. In big cities, in big industries, also the incomplete combustion of fuel and wood and coal causes air pollution. So, natural resources and air, these points are completed in this video. In next video, we have learned water and land. Okay, it's time for homework. Define air pollution. write constituents of air. Next, write uses of nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. Okay, thank you.